A fiber optic splicer is a technician who specializes in joining optical fiber cables using various splicing methods. The process involves cutting, preparing, and joining fiber optic cables to create a continuous optical path, essential for high-speed communication networks like those used in telecom, internet, and CCTV systems. Fiber optic splicing is crucial for repairing fiber cuts, connecting network segments, and ensuring the integrity and quality of the signal. In this OFC fiber optic splicer training, learn about. Participants will learn to identify fiber optic cables, prepare and splice them, test the splices, and install connectors for FTTH networks. They will gain practical experience with splicing machines and fault locator tools. Program objective. Optical fiber cable (OFC) network is widely used in all communication fields starting from telecom operators, ISP, cable TV network, CCTV and LAN/WAN network. Candidate will undergo 3 days, full-time, training and become Vestal certified optical fiber splicer. Duration. 03 day, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., classroom with lab session note. As this program is conducted on low-cost model, seats are given on first-come, first-served basis. Do the advance reservation by making payment through registration form mentioned at the website page. We will send you confirmation of admission through email. Location. Vestal, Chennai, classroom training with lab, training fee, 7,000 rupees, Rs 7,000 only, plus GST. Per candidate prerequisites. Min 10th pass, diploma or any degree. Who should attend? Anyone who wants to work in optical fiber cable, OFC, network to restore OFC cuts. Practical hands-on. Candidate will work with splicing machine, VFL and different types of OFC cable and connectors. Certification. Exam will be conducted at the end of program. Certification will be provided to who clears the exam. This can be used for job opportunity. Certificate verification can be done through our website. Course content. 1. Introduction to OFC network and its benefits. 2. Identify different types of OFC cable SM, MM. 3. Different color codes used in OFC. 4. Preparing cable for splicing. 5. Carrying out splicing operations. 6. Testing effectiveness of the splice through VFL. 7. Installation of fast connectors for FTTH network. Contact for more information. hr@vestal.co.in or visit www.vestal.co.in.